Every hour of downtime costs millions. But what if you could recover those hours safely? Today, operators fly blind during startups. Conservative heat-up curves built decades ago stretch the process across days. Each reactor is different, yet they're treated the same. That's why we built Akselos SPM for Reactors. Powered by physics-based AI, we give operators a real-time, predictive view of structural integrity. This is how we do it. On the MPT screen, the operator sees the blue line. That's the structural limit for this section of the reactor. The red dot tracks the real-time stress as temperature rises during startup. When parts of the reactor heat unevenly, that red dot starts to move closer to the limit. That's the moment to act. The operator adjusts the heat-up rate right from the control room, keeping stress safely below the line. The result? Faster, safer startups, and a team that finally knows exactly how far they can go with confidence. Akselos, we let the steel speak.